Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is silence and infinite extension. Ancient sages said, "Your eyes is the extension of light, that's why you can see. Your ear is the extension of sound, that's why you can hear." Similarly, silence is the extension of infinite space and time. That's why in silence you can touch the field of infinite possibilities. When you attain the state of infinite silence, you can create a vacuum in your system, a total emptiness. Then you can contact the field of infinite possibilities, the field of transcendental consciousness, and you can achieve anything you like. That is the pure physics. Just you have to learn the technology and technique of transcendental consciousness to contact the infinite possibilities field. In our webinars, seminars and workshop, we just teach you the technique and technology of transcendental consciousness. Just get in touch with us for our forthcoming webinars and seminars, and just subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.